Are you bored of dull, lackluster projects? Well, we have the solution for you. Alumilite's amazing clear cast is the ultimate game changer for artists, hobbyists, and professionals alike. This crystal clear resin is versatile, easy to use, and has a glass-like finish that brings your creative visions to life. Amazing Clear Cast is designed for a wide range of applications. Use it for thin surface coatings or deeper casts up to 3/8 inch. It's also compatible with a variety of colorants, including dyes, alcohol inks, mica powders, glitter, and more, giving you the freedom to customize and enhance your projects. On top of that, it's super easy to use. This simple 1-to-1 mix ratio makes it very user-friendly, and with the working time of 30 to 40 minutes, you can perfect your project without the rush, ensuring awesome results every time. Whether you're making a river table, jewelry, adding a glossy coat to your paintings, or experimenting with something entirely new, this resin makes it all possible. Alumilite's amazing clear cast is crafting's clear choice.